What's up, crew? How's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. Jarrett, Bullish Bear, McGuire, Bryant sliding in the chat, Colin, Craig. What's up? What's up, Matthew? Ticker tap, sending to the penny. Who else has been in here? Frosty Dog. Jarrett getting some of that grizzly. That grizzly wintergreen. All right, market is opening, live trading all day from beautiful Isla Verde. Hanging out. What a sell-off into the open. Yesterday, we hit that target that I was looking for. How we, yeah, the beach. So it's funny because here's the, I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's like so bright outside behind me. Oh, but yeah. Got a little Airbnb set up. We'll get a nice little view. 14th floor balcony. Before it got cloudy, you could see it a little bit easier. We do have a gap fill to the upside, by the way. Where is that? At 010. Interesting. Well, I'm still trying to figure out, like yesterday, I wanted to go fill the gap up here, right here to 200 on the new contract. We had to do it overnight, just right here. You know what's funny? I was with Jordan last night. Jordan's automation caught like 2 of these longs in here while we were eating pizza. I gotta get on that automation train. PPI was hot. Yeah, what I saw something about production numbers. CL ripping. Yeah, I saw some of that Israel stuff too. We'll see what happens. All right, I've got I do have my Squawker playing through my same years right now. I only have my one laptop with me, so we're gonna make it work however we can. Interesting screen setup here, but I'm here, ready to go. Ba, ba, ba. And of course, we got Jerome Powell today. I'm excited. There's 2 left. This one and one more in the Jerome Powell legacy. How are you guys doing this morning? Tommy, I feel like you're up early today. Hey, what's up, Jayhan? We still have this gap fill to the upside. fighting with previous day's low. It's funny because like we left this gap, and then we left these two, and we filled this one and this one just in the overnight session. Wide range to work with today. That's a 320 point range or more, 340. Woke up early. I like that. Does everything sound okay? I did bring not my new cool mic, but my other mic I have plugged in right here. Oh, what to do? I really think we can long back up to here, but right at the open and bad news, kind of a tough ask. I don't know. I'm hoping we get some movement because it will probably slow down ahead of FOMC, even though I don't think today's FOMC is a whole lot. I have a gap fill upside right here, though. Is Jordy sleeping? Jordy should be on Spaces. Yeah, I'm in this camp right here. If you get over this 950, I think you can long to fill this gap. It's kind of tough to take a long here, but yeah, I think you try to get long somewhere here and risk like 920, 930. Maybe you get one more wick down here to like 910. I am going to do a lot of like switching back to the previous contract, comparing these two. We've traded this range for so long. I know the levels, but yeah, you pop over right here and let's go ahead and get that gap fill out of the way. 25.010. Look how messy this is. NDX still a gap up here. 1, 2 gaps down here. Come on, pop it over. Let's go fill the gap. Make me some money. Y'all hear that airplane? If I have to switch to my AirPods, I can and try that mic instead. Yeah, I am going to keep a close eye on Crude. Trump administration to do the waiver of the Jones Act as soon as Wednesday, which is today. Another one. You heard the plane. So when I tell you guys the airport is like right there from my balcony, I can see the runway. Like I can see the planes because I'm like on the 14th floor here. The Mike Jones. Who? Fill the gap. Who? Mike Jones. 281-330-8004. That's my cell phone, dog. Hit me up on the low. I need Crude to back off here. Let's see. SPX is near, yeah, sitting right on a key level. How big is this gap? Yeah, 0.3. We should have pretty good odds on this. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push. Gap the fill. Fill the gap. Gap the fill. Yes, should make it to previous session low. Come on, right here. Got over the pivot point. We need ES, draw it to previous session low, and let's go ahead and get this gap fill right here. Watch, I love watching the gap fill indicator from Edgefield just light up orange whenever it fills. Come on, don't back off here. Push. Push this down. You might be able to get a little ad. 950s. What are the big names doing? Ooh, oof. What are they doing? Oh no, SPX is getting stuffed. See if we get some buyer step in right here. Off the 9. I don't like the SPX rejection there. That is kind of ugly. All right, I'm going to try long right here. Risk about 30 points. Come on, don't start lagging on me. Come on, internet, hang in there. Might have been a little snipe if we get the bounce. McGuire, you're out. McGuire, we'll be here all day. We'll have Powell on here later, the speech, all that good stuff. What were the inflation numbers? I was looking at the headlines. I was trying to get all this stuff set up this morning. PPI month over month 0.7. Core PPI, yeah. Little hot. But I don't care about that right now. I care about filling the gap. And we can think about shorting later. There we go. Come on. Give me 50 points. Let's get up here. Fill the gap. Are we doing it? Are we doing it? What a snipe. Come on, get follow through. 77 points. That's what we're going for here. Come on, come on, come on. Pump me up already. Don't back off now. Go fill that gap. Come on, ES. Get up here, previous session low. Aramco evacuates Semref refinery after Iran warning. Yeah, we're going to deal with tons of headlines today. I'll pull back in. Wow, we hit what, 98? 10 points away. Come on, push back up there. Is SPX getting stuffed? Is that what? There you go, SPX. Hold right there. Push up here and fill the gap. There we go. CLS case clean spark apparently getting a lot of activity according to the squawker right now. I do not like where we're rejecting. This area right here, I'd probably draw a box right here. Come on, open up and push. I hate that it's getting stuffed right here into the EMAs. What's the Dixie doing? Come on, hang in there. Don't do this again, SPX. Stop being lame. Are the big names struggling too? NVIDIA. There you go, Microsoft. Take us home. Something needs to pop. No, Google. Wrong way. Wrong way, Meta. Oh my God. Right back to my entry. Come on, hold right here. Hold and push. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I want this gap fill, but we're fighting into the EMAs here and the we're fighting these headlines right now too. Crude is just pumping. We were so close. Let's get a nice little win under the belt before FOMC. Kind of looks like a bear flag. Where's everybody at this morning? Nope, not looking good. Not looking good. Pop back over. Yes, it's still okay. I knew this was a problem, this area right here on the old contract. Frustrating thing is we came 2 points away from the figure 25K and a few points away from that gap fill. China green. I saw that like Korea, the COPSI had a really good night. Are we fighting with NFP right here? Oh, yeah. We are fighting with NFP, of course. Come on, just hang on, push back up. Probably should have just front ran it, but when it's a gap fill, you want the gap to fill, right? That's the point of the trade. We hit right into previous session low in spot. Bummer. Yeah, this doesn't look good. No way, no. AAOI out half, 85%. Nice. Yeah, no, it might be. That might be all that we get to where I was just looking for. Especially if I go back and look at this area. I was hoping like you get through. So like on the current contract that expires Friday, on NQ, the 750 area, it's a heavy area. And this could just be the back test, of that. But I'm hoping this gap fill gives us the pull that we need. And once we kind of get over this, it feels like it should be a free shot to there. I mean, look at all this from yesterday. That's what you're looking for. Are we still alive? We're still alive on the trade? We're still alive. Push over, push over. Pivot point. This is the pivot point, and it always gets choppy right on the pivot point. Tesla's pushing. Factory orders coming out in 20 seconds, 15. Well, it's going to be so tough with all this stuff going on. There we go. There's your first hour. Factory orders are out. Plus 0.1. Basically in line. Okay, whatever. Come on, push. There we go. Yes, push. We need some juice here. Morning, Frank.
Morning, Ed. I was going to put a short on, but it's a little quiet, waiting.
Yeah, I tried to long for this gap fill, and it just keeps getting stuffed. It's a tough level.
area,
It could be a
yeah.
short right here into the same. On the H contract, the current contract, the 750 has been a level for 2 months. But my thought is we could pop over that, go fill a gap to where we closed yesterday, which is like the bulk of yesterday's value, and then it's probably a short right back down. I don't know. I'm sitting in it. I got a decent entry, 933 a while ago, looking for 08. There. We'll see. I was up. We almost got there.
I'm looking at oil, got a little spike, 98.22 high. It's this strong all morning.
Yeah, Reuters is reporting right now that like Iran's flow of oil is like shut down right now. Whatever, I guess Israel hit them with something. And the inflation this morning, those numbers weren't that good either. Kind of this 15-minute could just be a bear flag right here. Yeah, SPX is can't get past that 6,700 either. Yep, I'm thinking this is going to be a little bear flag. Probably going to stop me out. Oh, we were so close to stupid profit. Oh, keep me in the trade. There we go. Barely. This makes me want to add. Come on, buyers. Let's go fill this gap and then we can reject. I do have the sparkers turned on. I didn't hear anything about Russia. Russia may consider military convoys for merchant ships. Iran gas supplies completely halted. Those are the last two headlines I've seen. It's starting to look more and more like a short. Don't do it. Buy it up. Can't get through these. Can't get through this area. It's probably a get out and wait for the next one. Yeah, they're trying to crush this thing. We're still alive. Well, we've gone sideways for 30 minutes now. Come on, push. Push. $15 minutes starting to look much better. Come on, do something. New song? I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that to play here. Boy, ES cannot get going. Yeah, we may chop like this all day long. Boy, they're trying to get me to click more buttons here. I'm just chilling. Probably gonna take this loss to stop out. We have 15 minutes to the IB. ES is about to make it a bearish IB. That would make the most sense to have the weaker one have a bearish IB and the stronger one a bullish IB. Chop day, chop chop. NDX, oh no. Such a messy area. Yeah, ES just made the IB bearish. I feel like these buyers are about to give up. Yeah, they're probably gonna take me out here. Stupid ES, can't get it going. I think I should have risked lower. Yeah, there's my stop out. See if it gets bought back up out of this area, but it's starting to look like a bear flag. $670. I mean, this could just be a buy again right here. Oh, of course. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Use long and risk the slow right here. Yeah, I don't see how you can't look at this 15-minute and want to go long here. Watch them rip this right back up. Right off this area. Oh, it's freezing. I'm not used to having air conditioning. "15 minutes to the IB, and the IB tells me to short." Maybe you sweep this low, come back. Yeah, I kind of like that bullish bear. I kind of like it. Where, I mean, where do you take it? Do you look for back to 835? Now I can't look at this 15-minute and look at the IB and want to do anything right here. Oh, Tommy, I just heard the song. I'll have to play that here in a minute. I mean, maybe if it pops back up, yeah, 930, 940s, you short it. I don't know, I feel like this is a messy one. There's still support right here, though. Yeah, about 20 points lower, you have the gap fill from yesterday on NDX. Short for that. you're outside of the VWAP band. Probably should have shorted against that 6,700 SPX. But now it's sitting on the next. I mean, oh, they want me to short it with you guys, and I'm not going to get baited in. What's oil doing? Still pushing? Yeah. Put CL up here beside us. This doesn't back off. Oh, we were looking so good right here. And right here. Boy. They did me dirty. Are you near the airport? I'm not just near the airport. I can see there's a plane right there. Do you see it? That's a big plane that just took off. I don't know if y'all can see that. The plane is like right over my shoulder. It goes. When I look out of my balcony, like the whole runway is like right there. The control tower, basically. I mean, look, 670 right here. This exact low. That's the big point of control from like the last like week and a half on the old contract. Like, look, if I zoom out here, look at this point of control right here, 670. Right, I mean, right here. That's why I can't short into this. I mean, I think it can hold right here. Matter of fact, I really want to try the long again. Right here, it's like 20 points. Why not? Try it right here. I'm gonna risk 20 points. I'm gonna try to get back up here. Right before the IB, of course. This is a bad idea, actually. No, this is a bad idea. I need to wait for that IB to set and break. No, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'll back up to break even. I'm getting out. I can't. That was, I just remembered the IB. That was dumb. because now the IV is going to set down here and it's going to have to break it. Yeah, there it goes. It just took me out. Yeah, that was a bad trade. Just 70, the 5 lots sitting right here. that was a bad trade. Dog going down the hallway? What are we doing? Oh, this IV just got a lot bigger. Yeah. Yeah, I recognize that was a bad trade real fast. It's all right. Now maybe we can play bounce on a sweep of the IV down here. Not yet. A few more minutes. That's NFP low. Basically. Starting to get extended. This is going to be try down here at 800. Don't bounce here. Where's SPX? SPX is going into a gap though. I should have got in that. I should have got in that short with you guys. Two minutes until the IV. Why couldn't they make it easier? Why couldn't they go gap fill first and then turn around? Jerks. 40 seconds, side B. That Stark algo. I should have flipped right here. They sawn everything off? The video is green? Oh, Microsoft got smoked. Where are we on the daily? Oh, Frank, have you looked at this daily? This looks bad. Your IB set. There is a possibility of a sweep of it in a long back to pre-market low. Oh my God, they're just gonna bounce it now. What is Microsoft doing on the daily? Still holding the same box. Doesn't look good. Look at these jerks. Well, we have IB low to go for. So it's too extended though. 662.30 on SPY. Where is that? 662.30. I think if we go any lower, we're going to see the 200-day on SPY. If we get back to 900, maybe we reshort. Maybe we reshort here. It's too extended. Boy, the water's beautiful this morning, though. At least we got that going for me. Crude pumping. Dadgummit, I should have hit that short. The plane boss, the plane. I do not remember that one, Tommy. Sell rips until it, yeah. You look these EMAs to catch back up, maybe we can short for IB low. I knew I even said it out loud. This looked like a bear flag. I should have just got out.
I was looking for shorts, but like that this morning it got away. Like those, it started heading down, and but it hit all the targets on the upside. You know, if you scan out, it looks like wow.
So
We're
today I may
back
not
to the
do
middle.
spreads because it's FOMC, but if the market continues to grind down here, I will do a put spread.
Let's see where they are.
You heard.
Yeah, I don't think Rico's still sleeping.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait a 10-minute hanging man with the fall. Yeah, I should have shorted this candle right here. I don't know what the fantasy. I usually am pretty good at references. I don't know what the Fantasy Island one. Frankie may have seen that show or know that reference. What is this? 800. There's a pivot point. Too extended to reshort here. Can't long with the IV sitting down there and the way the price action is. Just sit here and wait for it to do something. Bullish bear, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, if it like sits here for another 5-10 minutes, you could probably short against 850, 860. Otherwise, yeah, you gotta, 885, 900. Let's yeah. Yeah, this looks bad. Kind of want to short it here, but I can't. Oh, I gotta let it come to me today, Frankie.
Definitely, absolutely. I haven't done. I have really done very small. I'm a little red, but like nothing in it. Not. It's just scalp red. I'm waiting.
key low hasn't been taken. Should still take out the low.
I just want to hear
Yeah, this
Stephen
is gonna
Hawking
go
just
right to
send
800.
100,000.
I just covered some ES short right there, back testing pre-market low on SPY. Took some puts up there as well from Monday.
This should go take out this ID low.
Now. But
766 golden retrace.
Ultimately, want to see NQ at that pivot point down at 798.
Look at the gap in SPX. It's a big gap.
That's what I was just looking at. It's like, and it's in it too.
It's 100 points lower. Well, no, it's not. It's 70 to 30.
It's
50 points lower.
Right here, pressed up.
35 points lower than most day. 38 from where we're currently at. 6631. They want me to. They want me to short it right here.
I know. I'm so
I-
anxious to short it, but
I know. I was going to stand up and walk outside before I do something. God, it's beautiful out there. If you're gonna lose money, at least do it at the beach, right? Let's see, what are we pricing at?
They have fallen with the market.
Yeah.
But, I mean, expected on a day like this, waiting FOMC.
Alright, I just took my first trim right here on SPY, but it's coming down to the equal low.
Nice.
At least we got a decent morning move. Like,
I really think you could short right here and just scalp it down
I
30
think Dak
points at
Prescott
least.
saying, "Here we go, low a day."
yeah.
Is that new lows? Still
Risk
at
20 to make 30.
My average still targeting 801.
Sounds like a good way to get chopped up.
For first trim on 3 short NASDAQ.
Starts breaking under 800. I think it goes 760 fast, and then we can try to play
High
bonds.
day. 2387, 388.
Right now
Got
they're
Monday's Bitcoin down at 762.
not pricing in any rate hikes. I mean, they're slight. It's I mean less than 0.5% all the way through. We're pricing in the first cut in December, slightly. October, December.
Tropico.
As long as oil is up here, Tulsi Gabbard. Iran regime is intact but largely degraded. come up in here into the 9, maybe. We can start trying it.
Up at the 870 before lower.
So they want me to start selling it right here at 850. They really do.
Still think that you go lower. Snipe data. Take that below you. Maybe they can pop it in this previous 7 and 5 minute candle highs. Sweep those and go lower. I don't know.
There's your fib levels. Well, that's loud. Yeah, the UK was looking at 2 rate hikes. This is pretty much unchanged, but what will be interesting is to see what they say later. Where's Crude right here? Is this a fade? $98.5. I don't know, it's in a pretty solid uptrend.
Gold held up a bit better this morning. Didn't end up taking out any of those lows.
Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, I can't do it. I cannot do anything right here.
Nvidia and Microsoft are starting to roll a little bit. I mean, Microsoft's already kind of down at this level I got at 394. Actually, I'd like to see calls off of that level, to be honest.
Microsoft, I mean, it's sitting on support here. I hear Brady. Some of these names look like they could bounce. Look at oil. Can I look at gold? Yeah, absolutely. I'll take a look at gold because they're trying
Here we go. Starting to crack.
they're trying to drag me into the short right here. Hold on. Ooh, gold. Gold looks like short. Well, what we're lining up for is the day where they sell everything.
More.
I think it would sell like scalp short here. Let's see. Actually,
These 3 short at 841. Targeting 801 to trim one.
760. I'll buy it. 766. I'm just gonna wait for my level to hit. I can hear Frank. He's not saying it to me, but I know what he's thinking in his head that he wants to say to me. Wait for your level. Sit on your hands, kid. All right. Gold in the meantime. I mean, yeah, you're coming into a big spot here, but gold does not look good. Yeah, I think gold is a continued short. I don't know how you get in it down here, but because it could get a relief bounce to back test. But plus, I don't know where you take gold. You broke all your structure. You broke your 50-day today with force. That's one thing I look at. With force, broke that 50-day. Oh, yes, did take that IB low. Oh. We just pop it into 860, close the candle under 850 and short it. I think I'm just gonna take a starter right here, short. Try it.
Oh god.
Who just joined? Oh, Frankie's back. What happened to my? Oh, did it rug me? What really small here? Just 840 starter, trying to get a 40 point. You know, it's breaking out right now. Yeah, gold does not look good. Especially when I see something come through the 50-day with force, it makes me like it, I don't know. It makes me think like, okay, there's a lot of people just crashing out of it.
Gold's trying to make a move now.
We are just kind of basing.
Yeah, stuck in this spot here.
Yeah.
It's probably better if it just wicks up into this 9.
I'm good. Make my money. Not trading anymore. Not gonna FAFO.
Yeah.
Come on, wick up there. All right, Tommy, I got you.
Crude oil still taking highs. Just made another new high day.
Here's Tommy's new call.
FOMC day, you know we had to run it up. Yeah. All my wolves eating good, feeling every single cup. Saw the gap fill coming from a mile away. True. Made a whole
Even though we
year's
didn't get it.
salary in a single day. Let's go. Wolf stream money, yeah, we make it look easy. Wolf stream money, now the whole squad feeling breezy.
Yep.
Boom. Is that it, Tommy? Just the one? Sell a little bit more if we can get into this 9. Yes, looks like it wants to pop off this low though. That's not good. It's probably going to put a big wick up into here, and then it's going to be a short. Just got a little bit of an ad there.
Rocket lab down 8%. How's that?
Really, I should wait for it to wick here and then come back down. The video. Oh, INFQ. Video. All right. This is basically pre-market low, the 25% retrace of the ID, and it's this previous block. It might have to go 30 points higher though. I don't see any sellers coming in on this thing too hard. There's a little bit. Oh, Crude's getting rocked now. Well, I'm going to be on the wrong side of the trade 3 times.
New hour opening in 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're trying to get above the 5-minute 9 here.
Your 9 finally caught up. Yeah,
Popping. Previous 10-minute candle highs. 15-minute candle highs.
It's going to sweep this high and then come back.
See if they slap this off here.
A little bit of an ad there. God, how much do I want? I'm going real slow into this. Oh no. 15-minute looks like it's going to run me over.
Yeah, pop. There's a pop. There's a pop.
No.
Don't make me risk more.
My break even stop hit on everything.
I got
Nice.
Really, this
Stop me
is
on
bad.
saw it right back right here.
It was tough.
I locked in like 500 on ES right there, and then options like barely anything.
Oh no. Oh, no. Crude's getting rugged. Dadgummit. Come on. Trying to trade on a TV over here on the side of my screen. Give me back to like 850s. Come on, come on. Don't hold the 9.
Holy shit, that was.
Okay, we got to 900. Rejected that.
Haven't got anything I'm doing.
Oh, I needed that rejection. Oh my
Literally
god.
just shorted the 5 minutes.
I need more.
I'm green.
Yeah, this is
I was
garbage.
really too big though. Way too big.
I'm not focused on trading the rest of the day at all.
I'm taking these stupid paper cuts today. I need a big one here.
I could care less. Like, FOMC's coming now, and PA like this. I'm good. I'm good.
That's the one. That's the candle we were waiting for. Fucking what time is it? 11:03.
It is choppy. Yes, we do.
Here I am fighting this thing, and crude's now coming down.
Yeah, futures is so much easier right now. Options are ass.
Well, I got like one trim off. Come on. NVIDIA's ripping. God. Oh, they're going to take me again. I have no idea where this is at this point. Let me go back to 935. Need the rejection right here, Frankie. I don't think we're going to get it. Nope, this is going to pop through. Yep, they got me again. Boy, I'm going to get on the right side of the trade at one point today. Yeah. God bless. What did we hold? That's what I'm confused about. What's AMD doing? Good Lord. What are we doing? Scalp my way back green somehow today. This power. Come on, bring it back in. soon as I saw him pop out of there, I was too aggressive on the fade. Line. All these big names are strong coming off that low. Can we just rotate back? Oil's getting stomped on. I know options grow. I'm sitting here saying, okay, I can just get sliced and diced in pieces here. Take the buy and sell button off my screen for a little bit. But I think we can get a little dip here. Come on, crush it. Crush it. Back down. Might hold right there. Yep.
I'm flat on that candle. I kept shorting it. I covered a lot when it traded back down the first time, but I don't know.
Could hold right here. If it goes back through here, then I think you get a nice, follow through. You get back to the sun.
Yep. Range.
We got a bunch of. Today, the VIX expiration was this morning. If that was part of that.
Definitely opportunities. 100%.
Not too bad. Just boring to sit through, of course.
Yeah. No, it's just boring to sit through.
We'll have fun on screen though.
We flip your. This price action is so annoying today. Well, we should get some volatility and some fun movement this afternoon. We'll see. I don't think the FOMC is going to be much, but if he starts making some commentary that if he mentions hikes or if he's super hawkish, it could be an issue. Our EMAs are still bearish here. We're sitting on the low. Low. Oil's finally getting a bounce. No, this is messy. I mean, my number one thing would be go back down and take IB low. ES already took it. Maybe this. I don't like
bouncing here.
I don't like this. I don't like the look of this at all right here.
Crude's bouncing.
Weird.
Yeah, Crude looks like it
Crude
wants
looks
to
like
go
he
back.
wants to go to fucking 100 to me. I mean,
Yeah.
there's nothing bearish about that fucking thing. It came, it's bull flagging. It came halfway down the 10-minute, didn't even hit the 10-minute 21. Now it's getting legs. That should press us down quite a bit. You're gonna get down to back to 50. Come on.
Come on. Pull this thing. Get through the 9.
I can't tell you how much I sold above the figure. It was a lot.
Come on. Fighting my way back. Come on. Pull it down to 850s.
Hit half back of this newly created range.
Come on, pump oil, pump. Keep it under 900 here. I want IB low. Come on, sellers. Come on. All right, I'm gonna take a little trim here. It's like 852. I had to fight with it up there in the 9, like that 920, 925 area.
Yeah, I was hammering it
I
there.
like that. I like that in the big picture. The big picture now looks much better to me. I was really confused with this stuff, but if we get a new low day, I'll be back in a lot better spot. Get oil ripping, rip. Yeah. bit out of view. Oh, man, where's this picks? It is a little bit of a spot there. QQQ right on 600. Could hold. Well, that was a good trump. I'm fighting my way back. Come on. Checked it. Under these. Rooftop. All right. We're going to come up here and stop me out. Oh, come on. Boy, this. They don't know what they want to do with this stupid thing. Yeah, the oil's fading. All right. It's almost like it's FOMC. Yeah, it's like it's all these other headlines that are going on. The FOMC, I mean, I just don't know that FOMC does a ton. It could. It's just they're not. I mean, it's just messy. They're not really respecting these levels. We're right in the middle of the day here. I don't know, you have reversal here on the 15, and then this is your red candle with the bottom wick, which could be, this is your reversal, your continuation, and this would be back test. Yeah. All right, we're going to stop handling this one in profit here if it goes over. It's yes to it. Yes kind of still looks like a short. That there Clark is an RV. Just sit here on my balcony and watch the whole thing. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are trading better than I am today. Is X down? People's telling me that X isn't working. Well, YouTube's still working. My trades are not. A couple of them do. This could get real messy now for the rest of it. So, how long do we have? Yeah, what, 11:30? We gotta wait 2.5 hours. 150 launches still. And 3. Okay. Here. EMAs are still bearish, way below V1. IB says we should take the low. These candles are jumping around like there's headlines coming out right and left. I'm not really getting much. X is down. Twitter. Oh, yep. I just refresh mine. It says, welcome to X. Yep, here comes stop. Any higher than that right there. I think they're going to take this higher. 15-minute looks strong. ES does not look the same. I have to go the other way. All right, I got stopped. I'm flat. New York Times, Google has met with the Pentagon to be a defense partner. Interesting. Not really getting a pop on that Google. Boy, if it rejects right here, I could sell it again and risk right here. Where's the 15? I'm going to do it again and type stop. See if this candle pushes down. No, nope, it's not gonna reject. Under like 880. SPX kind of like long off of that wick right there. Too messy. I can't be in a trade here. Too messy. We need some kind of, we need a crazy headline or something, either direction. Just reset this chart. Because this looks like upside now. there. Clark is an RV. Yeah. I mean, retake orb low, go to orb high. We haven't touched previous day's low on SPX. Did we touch it on SPY? We did. Okay. Check that one off the list. I feel like somebody's been trying to get long here. Let's stop it. Hold back down. SMH is pushing. Close. 5 minutes. I'm gonna run to the restroom. I'm not gonna do it. Chop, chop, chop. Oh, so look at oil. What I'm boxing out this other that here. All right. See, almost get sucked into the wall and then it goes right back down. Just 15 minutes. All right. Maybe now I can break it. No, that's not it. This is so messy. Look at this. This is gross, guys. What are you doing? Wolf Bitcoin hanging in here. What's up? Check Slack. X is back up. This is, I mean, Tommy, this is where I'm at. Making your argument. Close above the EMA still. Good. Really short this stupid thing. Yeah, I mean, that's what I like. Even trying to scalp this right now is it's choppy. It's not really like going level to level or following a pattern. All right, here we go. Break it down. Give me back down to 851. Or does it just sit here on pre-market low? Don't hold that. I want to get in this trade so freaking bad. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. It's trappy. Trap city. Population in queue. Netflix headline. I don't know what the headline is. It's getting a pop. New high of day. I've made my team of AI agents all hot. Alright, well, Apple weak. Microsoft looks like a bear flag. Google looks like nothing. Amazon looks like nothing. That gap fill rejection. I don't know. I'm just cheering for this thing to move at this point. What is Tesla doing? That looks kind of gross. Oh, I could have stayed that same short from earlier probably, but I don't know. I haven't been able to read this price action good today, so I'm just taking it easy. We should squeeze out of here one way or the other though, because the EMAs are getting squeezed together. We're still under 30-minute or low. Rejecting the midpoint of the IV, bearish IV. If we had normal price action today, I would be short. It was like just like give it room, just short it, look for here. Oh, Chad, entertain me here. Boris, what's going on? Sit here, tell FOMC. I think this could be an actual chop. So we're going to go lower, go higher. Is that what's happening?